You searched how to buy shares of Rosneft OAO. Rosneft is a major oil and gas company listed on LSE PLC under the ticker ROSNL.L. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker ROSNL.L to find Rosneft OAO. Select the listing that shows LSE PLC to open the correct stock page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the listing matches Rosneft OAO on LSE PLC before continuing. To buy, click Invest. Choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade executes. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform further.